jeepers out there. Getting so sick of sitting down doing nothing. So, I did a little bit. I took a big dose of morphine about, probably not 2 hours ago. And I thought, I just sat in my shed for a while. And, yeah, thought, that's a nice little job I can do. Can I turn the cameras around while filming? No, I can't turn them around, so I'm going to have to do it like this. So, I cut some of these Flexico tiles around the base of the post. I know it's not perfect. Oh shit, what did I do? Did I stop it? I felt I pressed the button. I know it's not perfect. I'm not shaking too much, guys. But, you know, it's close enough. It's basically just guesswork. I don't have one of those things that you can get the shapes and then trace them. It's pretty hard stuff to draw on, and with pencils and stuff. It's pretty hard to stain. So basically I just cut a little bit, guess, cut a little bit, guess, cut a little bit, guess. But I'm happy enough with that. It looks pretty good, right? Yeah. I mean, it kind of went from what I got it right. Oh, shit. Kind of looked a bit like that. You know, now it looks like, oh yes. Oh, have a walk around. I want to make sure it's on the camera. So basically, you know, when we're working on it, not twisting our ankles, because this stuff is like half an inch, 10 mil or more, half an inch or so thick. So, oops, did you read the future in the palm of my hand? So, yeah, I did that just now. That's all I can do today. I collapsed. I was at the doctor's this morning with my wife, and I collapsed at the doctor's in pain. God, it scares the shit out of people when I do that. Oh, the camera's over there. It scares the shit out of people when I do that. Everyone sort of like rushes towards you, which is wonderful, you know, and ask if I'm alright. And my wife goes, no, it's normal. And they look funny. He goes, well, it's normal for him at the moment until my pump gets fixed. Still no news yet. I wonder if I should call the specialist tomorrow and see if he's got the results. Or maybe my GP will have the results. Maybe I'll go and see my GP first. You don't want to annoy these specialists too much, you know. They may get their knickers in a knot. So, and then after doing these two, I will remove the grey tiles. Sorry, that's a light bar I've got there. The grey tiles between the yellow stripes under the Jeep. And I'll remove the ones on the floor here between the posts and lay them over there. Let's see if I'm doing it right. And then when I can afford it, I'll buy solid black ones to lay where the cars always are. So for instance, if I knock something over with engine oil in it, you know, it's easier to clean up than having to lift the tiles. Even though it's not difficult to clean, it'd probably be a bit easier if you had a solid plastic floor, flat floor. And more than likely that would only happen under the vehicle. they're about $4 a tile more than these slotted ones. Not a lot. I guess if they're get more and more popular because of the ease of laying, they will get cheaper, you know. So yeah. Anyway, that's what I did today, and hope it gave you some enjoyment in your day watching my little DIY job. Anyway, guys, take care and look after yourselves, huh? Be good.